Pour a cup into the washing machine and you'll be shocked at what happens. You'll end up using this trick more often than you think. Your laundry has never been this nice. Towels will be fluffy and soft like new. Prepare your laundry as usual by putting it in the drum. Next, pour 250 milliliters of vinegar into the detergent drawer. You don't need to add any other liquid. Just run the wash on your usual program. When it's finished, add baking soda, specifically 50 grams, to the same drawer. Then run the wash cycle again. Once it's done, take out your laundry and dry it. You'll feel how fluffy and soft it is. After this trick, you'll stop buying expensive chemicals. It's a simple and eco-friendly solution. Just vinegar and a bit of baking soda. Try it yourself. This will save you from moths. Take a wet baby wipe and place it on a board. Then, grab some rice grains, as rice is a great scent carrier and absorbs moisture, preventing mold in your closet. Place a spoonful of rice on the wipe and choose your favorite perfume or essential oils. Spray the rice grains with the scent. Fold the wipe over the rice and tie the ends with string or a rubber band, creating a small scented pouch. Repeat the trick with different scents to create a variety of aromas for your closet. Place these small pouches in your wardrobe, on shelves, or in drawers. They will protect your clothes from moths, and the lovely fragrance will last for a long time. After a few days, when the scent fades, replace the pouches with new ones to keep your wardrobe fresh. You can also experiment with different scents to find the perfect combination for your closet. Pour this over your black clothes. If you want them to look new and not faded, try this trick. It costs just a few cents, yet gives results comparable to expensive liquids. Simply put about 3 tablespoons of coffee into a cup or small pot. Thanks to its natural pigmentation, coffee has dyeing properties. Pour boiling water over the coffee. Place your black clothes in a bowl or sink, then pour the prepared coffee over them. It's safe for most fabrics and doesn't contain chemicals that could damage the material. Leave the clothes in the coffee mixture for about 30 minutes. The coffee acts as a natural fabric dye, enhancing the depth of black, especially for fabrics that have started to fade. You'll notice your clothes are in better condition after just one soak. The more frequently you soak them in coffee, the longer they'll stay in good condition. This is an excellent solution for those looking for natural methods to care for their dark clothes. Each drawer in a washing machine has 3 compartments, but not everyone knows what they are for. One mistake can affect your laundry. If you use detergent pods, you might not use the detergent drawer at all. So, take a look at the drawer in your washing machine. Do you know which compartment is for what? There are always 2 compartments with lines and 1 compartment with a flower symbol. These lines are the Roman numerals 1 and 2. The compartment with the number 1 is for the pre-wash detergent. Most people never use the pre-wash cycle, so they don't use this compartment. The compartment with the flower is for fabric softener. If you use fabric softener, you pour it in here. Compartment number 2 is for the main wash detergent. This is where you pour liquid detergent or put in powder. It has an additional feature that makes it easier to use different types of detergent. More and more often, it has a small compartment that is movable. When you use powder detergent, the compartment should be raised. If you want to pour in liquid detergent, then this compartment should close off the part with the liquid. This way, the liquid won't spill out of the washing machine if the drawer is pulled out too far. Each compartment, therefore, has a specific use. Take a look at your washing machine and check if you are using the compartments in its drawer correctly. Put bay leaves in the washing machine. This trick will save you a ton of stress. Bay leaves are a popular ingredient in the kitchen, but they also have uses in laundry. They can effectively help remove stains. When you throw clothes of different colors into the washing machine, some may dye. Do you then have to throw away the dyed clothes? Absolutely not. A simple trick with bay leaves will save your clothes. All you need is a few bay leaves. Place them in a laundry washing bag and throw them into the washing machine with your stained clothes. Choose any program and turn on the washing machine. The stain problem should disappear. If the stains are intense, Prepare a decoction of bay leaves. Boil water with a handful of bay leaves. After boiling, set aside to cool. Soak the stained clothes in the decoction for 3 hours. Then squeeze the clothes and wash them in a washing machine with detergent. Take the clothes out and enjoy their cleanliness. Put socks on an empty bottle. You'll quickly fall in love with this mysterious trick. Prepare a bowl and pour very hot water into it. Put the socks in and leave them for a while. Let them soak. In the meantime, prepare the detergent. Don't pour it into the bowl. Just set it next to it. Now take a plastic bottle. The bottle shouldn't be too big. Slide the bottle into the sock. The wet sock will stretch easily. You can even slide a no-show sock onto such a bottle. Hold the bottle with the sock in one hand and pour laundry detergent over it. Use a soft brush to start scrubbing. It will start to foam quickly. This way, you'll remove dirt and even the most stubborn stains. No washing machine cleans sock fibers this thoroughly. Turns out, an ordinary bottle can handle it. This is an easy way to remove stains, especially on the toes and heel. Then just rinse the socks well, and they'll be like new. Our grandmothers used washboards. You can use a regular bottle and get a similar result. Clean socks like never before. Add 2 tablespoons to the wash. It will stay fragrant for days. Even a week after taking it out of the closet, you'll smell its lovely scent. I'll show you how to perfume laundry with a simple homemade method. Use 3 portions of table salt. I measure this amount with a small cup. Salt acts as a natural stain remover, helping the detergent dissolve all stains. Along with the stains, any unpleasant odors will disappear from the clothes. To the salt, add 1 scoop of baking soda. It's a natural cleaner that removes even dried stains. Salt and baking soda soften the water, making the clothes feel nicer to the touch and helping the detergent work more effectively. This will allow the laundry to carry the fragrance you choose. Add about 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. Mix everything together and store it in a sealed container. Depending on the amount of laundry, add 1 or 2 tablespoons of this mixture to each load. Use laundry capsules or detergent as usual. To further enhance the scent, mix citric acid with 100 milliliters of water, add a few drops of the same essential oil, and pour a couple of tablespoons of this mixture into the fabric softener compartment. This way, your freshly washed clothes will have a long-lasting fragrance thanks to these natural additions. Not many people know this trick for washing a comforter, and it's a shame because it really makes life easier. Washing a comforter can be one of the most challenging household chores. Its large size often makes it difficult to clean thoroughly, but there's a simple trick that helps, and it involves an unusual item. Lay it flat on the floor, fold it in half lengthwise, and then roll it up like a fan. This way, it will easily fit into the drum. Comforters are best washed about once every 6 months in warm water, around 81 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, using a gentle or comforter cycle with an appropriate spin speed. To boost cleaning power and remove dirt and germs, toss a regular shopping bag into the drum. It can be any lightweight plastic bag, even one from your groceries. While it may sound odd, it helps the detergent foam up more, allowing the suds to reach every corner of the comforter. The result is fabric that's more thoroughly rinsed, fresher, and free of unpleasant odors, leaving your comforter perfectly clean and soft to the touch.